Hi everyone, welcome back. It's just going to be a real quick vegetable garden update today. The weather's not very nice, so I'm not really going to be doing much. But I have been busy the past few days. I've got a new cold frame over there, you can see. And just a few other little bits and bobs to show you. So if you want to join me, I'll just give you a quick tour of the veg garden. I'll get back to you in a second. Alright guys, I'm out on the veg plot. Not a huge amount going on, but I just thought I'd give you a quick look around. These are the current cuttings that I've stuck in the end here. This is the new no-dig bed with all the chicken manure compost spread on it, and my fruit trees here, and the new addition there, the little cold frame. So I'll take you over and show you a few things. Okay, so this is my new little cold frame that I got given kindly by one of my clients. So I'll just show you what, we haven't got much in here, but all that's in here at the moment is my onions. A fair few of them have come up now. And I've got a little tray of garlic over there as well. Just all the little cloves, little tiny ones. I just thought I'd bung them all in there and see what happens. And a fair few of the onions have come up now, so I'll give them a little bit longer, and then the ones that I've got 2 or 3 in, I'll just take one out and put them in the ones where nothing's come up. Behind that's my strawberry planters. So I've got to sort these ones out. These are all the runners from last year. I just kind of popped them all in there and in them little pots. So they need sorting out at some point. These are all current bush cuttings from last year. And over here is all my trees. I've got Japanese maples, Scots pine, all sorts of other maples and ash, a few oak trees. These are all boxwood that I'm going to redo a hedge with once they've established a bit more. These are all just grown for ornamental trees. Hopefully I'm going to start my own little tree nursery. So keep you updated on that. And all the snowdrops have come up over there. And along here I've got my onions, and all my garlic's come up now. I'll try and show you them. So we did a whole row of garlic along here, and I've just popped a few onions in there as well. But all these along here are garlic. It looks like practically every single one of them's come up, so that's good. Got to do a bit of weeding in here, but it's not too bad. I didn't lay any cardboard, I just dug the turf off and filled there with compost, my chicken manure compost. So I'll just take you over there and show you my fruit trees. But before we go over to the fruit trees, just to show you my rhubarb. I put this in the ground last year, towards the end of the year, because it was just getting too big in the pot, and I had to water it almost every day in the pot, so I've just stuck it in the ground here. It's Victoria rhubarb. That's doing well. We're starting to come up now. So hopefully get some nice rhubarb this year. Another quick look at my trees. This one here is an empress tree. And some maple trees. Right, so I'll just take you over there. Okay, so I'll just show you all my fruit trees and bushes. Yeah, so that's a currant bush. I showed you the video of me pruning that, and the gooseberry, and the other currant bush. I'll get in there and do some weeding as well. This is the new addition. This is a cherry tree. What was the variety? Sunburst. So I look forward to some cherries in probably about a year or two. That's my raspberry canes in there. So I've kept them in the pot because I want to be able to move them, but they don't really like being in the pot, so they may have to go in the ground somewhere at some point. This is my Chardonnay white grape vine. It's about 3 years old now, but so it's doing well, but we haven't had any grapes on it yet. Maybe this year we might get a few. These two here are fig trees. I've just left the 2 main branches on each one, pruned away the rest at the end of last year. Got a couple of little figs on here, but I think they've rotted away. We'll see. And that one has a kiwi vine. The buds are starting to swell up on that, so still alive. And this was a seed-grown grapevine. That's a couple of years old now, or a year or so old. Starting to thicken up at the bottom here. It's still going, got some buds there. I have a feeling the end of it's died off, but yeah. I'll leave it until it sprouts so we can see how far it's died down. Okay. And just one last thing I wanted to show you was my currant bush cuttings that we stuck in here probably about a month ago now. I just did I pruned the currants and just basically just stuck all the cuttings in the ground here just to see how they go. Quite a few of them seem to have survived. Others haven't, but there's a fair few. You can tell the ones that have struck because the buds have started swelling, as opposed to the ones which haven't, which have kind of just stayed all brown. We'll see how they do, and I'll dig them out of the ground in the spring once they've got some roots. We'll pot them up, and I'll probably sell most of them. Alright everyone, so I'm going to retreat back indoors now because it's just started to rain. It's not really very nice out here today, but I just wanted to have a quick walk around and see how everything's doing. So I hope you enjoyed the little update video, and thanks a lot for watching. If you could subscribe, that'd be great, and like the video, and feel free to leave a comment if you've got any questions, or if there's any advice or anything you want to know. Just feel free to leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next episode. Hope you all have a great week. See you later.